As the sun sets over the industrial belt, a small swarm leaves the shadows, cheap, disposable, and startlingly clever. What looks like a flock of toys is actually the culmination of months of improvisation. Low-cost drones, off-the-shelf sensors, and a single bold idea: to use numbers and intelligence to turn weakness into strength. They don't fly like jets. They crawl across the terrain, slipping under radar blind spots. Traditional defenses were built for missiles, not for dozens of slow-thinking machines that move like one. That mismatch between old assumptions and new realities is all the swarm needs. On paper, their range should be impossible. Small motors, short batteries, yet they keep going, powered by an invisible lifeline in the sky. Each drone shares its energy and data with the next, a living network that refuses to die. If one link fails, another takes over. If one is lost, the swarm adapts instantly. As they near the target, deception becomes their armor. A single drone flares bright, creating a false signature that lures radar and gunners away. The real formation dives low, threading through valleys, counting on the seconds of human hesitation that separate detection from reaction. Then the field turns silent. A storm of electromagnetic noise erupts. GPS is gone, communication lost. But this is no accident. The swarm has rehearsed this moment. Their vision systems and terrain maps take control, flying blind yet precise. What should have been their death sentence becomes just another planned phase of the mission. At the heart of the target, the strike isn't random, it's surgical. A single weak weld, a known flaw, struck with mathematical precision. The explosion is small, controlled, and devastating. It's not about spectacle. It's about shutting down a machine that feeds an entire front line. Cheap ingenuity just defeated billion-dollar infrastructure. It forces the enemy to choose, protect the factories or the front. Either way, something vital is left exposed. But the true effect isn't only physical, it's psychological. Within minutes, the footage spreads across social media, proof that no place is untouchable. Morale shifts, narratives crack. The battlefield expands into the digital space. Modern warfare is no longer about who has the bigger army, it's about who learns faster. Adaptation, flexibility, and creativity now outweigh armor and numbers. When a few $1,000s of innovation can cripple a billion-dollar asset, the real weapon isn't metal or fuel, it's the mind that dared to imagine it.